Hey, kiddos, thanks for joining us this week for our Bible story time. Herman, what are you doing here?
Is anyone looking? I don't want anyone to see me.
I don't think so. Why don't you want anyone to see you, Herman?
I'm teaching in another classroom, and I don't know much about today's lesson. I need to find out what it's about, but I'm afraid if people see me coming to you, they will think I'm not a very good teacher.
Oh, Herman, we all have to ask for help now and then. What is it exactly that you wanted to know?
How do you say the name of the guy we are learning about? Is it Nicodemus or Nicodemus?
Hang on, I'm going to see if the kids can help us out. We're going to learn about that Pharisee that came to Jesus that night.
Nicodemus. Why did Nicodemus come at night?
Well, I was just about to tell the kids the Bible story about that. But it has something to do with kind of how you came in here with your hood over your head so that no one would see you coming in here.
He didn't know how to say his own name?
Oh, no, Herman. No. He was afraid that other people, including the Pharisees, would see that he wanted to know more about Jesus.
Oh my. It's time for me to read the story to my children. Thank you.
All right.
See you later. Your help.
See you later, Herman. All right, everyone. We are going to be